Hello friends of our homestead. This week it's time for another homemade tractor attachment workshop video. The challenge this week was how can I move things without having to use the big wheel loader, because it always leaves deep tracks on the pasture. I would like to use the small compact tractor because it's much easier, but always you can't buy this attachment anywhere, and what else can I do than to build something that makes my life easier myself again. And like always, everything starts with cutting the parts. For the main frame I use 2" by 2" by 3/16 square tubing that should be strong enough and should take all the load and fits all my requirements. A lot of people ask me what kind of juice is that green stuff that I used in my bandsaw. So the green juice I use in my bandsaw is just regular engine coolant, because of where we live here it gets very cold in the winter time and I can't just use the regular cool cut because it will be frozen in the winter time and would crack my pump. So I used engine coolant. I don't mix it with water, it's right the stuff that comes out of the 1 gallon jug. And it works well in the bandsaw. For the brackets I use 2" by 1/4" flat bar. Cut it 2 times in 90 degrees. I cleaned all the cutting edges with a band sander before I start to weld the parts together, because of it's nicer and safer to work with that material, and it makes it easier to weld it. We post every Sunday a new video on our YouTube channel. If you like our videos and what we do, please subscribe for our channel, hit only the button in the lower right corner. And you should not forget to hit the button for the notification bell, and it would be nice if you leave also a thumb up for us, that we know we are on the right way with our videos. I always try to weld parts like this tight together. I don't want that water comes to the inside, because in the winter time if it gets cold the water could freeze and I don't want that the tubing cracked. So the attachment I made here, it fits a small compact tractor with category 0 3-point hitch. I designed the whole attachment so that if it's finished there is nowhere an open piece of tubing where dirt or water can go into it. Two 2" by 3" angle iron are hold the pins for the 3-point hitch. The holes are higher than normal because I like to reach the ground level with the forks if the 3-point hitch is at the lowest spot. I tack the top link holders on. The size of all the hitch holes is 3/4 inch because of they are made for 3/4 inch pins. A little fine tuning with the angle grinder and the flap disc and it's ready to paint. I'm pretty sure 3 coats of paint give them thing enough rust protection for the next couple years. And here you can really have never enough. I mounted the lift pins on the frame. I made sure the hole is vertical because of it's easier to put the flip pin in. And it's ready to go. The barrel that you see here on that pallet, that's one of our chicken drinker that we use for our mobile chicken coops if the chicken coop is placed anywhere in the pasture. So that should make my life easier to move all the barrels full with water to the place where I need them. If you like to see how we made that 50-gallon chicken drinker, I put the link of that video in the description down below for you. I like it if a plan works. Problem is solved. I saved a lot of money because of I built that attachment myself, and it should make my life way easier in the future. That's it for this week's video. Thanks guys for watching it. Leave a thumb up for us, subscribe please for our YouTube channel. If you want to support us a little, you can buy us a coffee. I put the link for you in the description down below, and we see us next week.